Which vitamin helps in calcium absorption? Answer A, vitamin D. Which disease is caused by bacteria? Answer A, tuberculosis. Which organ helps in speech? Answer B, larynx. Which part of the human skeleton protects the brain? Answer A, skull. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Answer C, femur. Which element is essential for making thyroid hormones? Answer A, iodine. What does DNA stand for? Answer B, deoxyribonucleic acid. Which part of the brain controls breathing and heartbeat? Answer B, medulla oblongata. Which part of the eye detects color? Answer A, cones. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Answer B, vitamin D. Which disease is caused by iodine deficiency? Answer A, goiter. Which organ produces digestive enzymes and hormones? Answer C, pancreas. Which part of the ear maintains body balance? Answer A, semicircular canals. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs? Answer B, pulmonary vein. Which part of the body has the smallest bone? Answer A, ear. What is the study of the heart called? Answer B, cardiology. What is the normal pulse rate of an adult? Answer A, 72 beats per minute. Which disease is caused by lack of insulin? Answer C, diabetes. Which organ stores bile? Answer B, gallbladder. What is the main function of red blood cells? Answer A, carry oxygen. What is the medical term for high blood pressure? Answer C, hypertension.